Forex, stocks, futures, Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week.
Hey, this is ForexMilitia. This is Parcel speaking, and I'm bringing you the picks of the week, the Trademiner picks of the week for Forex, stocks, and futures. Starting off with the Euro Pound. Okay, that's from July 24th to August 24th, and we've got a not calculated, but we've got an 80% chance to win, as you can see the chart. The line chart and the bar chart. It is profitable in this time. And now with the stock, we are going with Merck. This is an old trade that I've been basically pretty much nursing or managing along, and it's profitable. The probability of chance for this is very low, but this is off by somewhat, because the idea is that in the summertime, the healthcare stocks is the defensive sector, and there's an 80% chance that this would actually win in this time frame, in this market cycle. And the NASDAQ 100 for the futures, as you can see, it's pretty good. You can definitely make some profit here with the futures. Very dangerous though, very dangerous. So I am not a financial advisor. These are just trade ideas. Okay? Alright. So be careful out there. Alright. Let's go to the chart and take a look at how that actually is setting up. Alright. So with the pound, yes, the Euro Pound, as you can see, I'm going to basically wait, but look, right here, I believe I'm going to probably take this on Sunday, because this is actually looking like this is already set up. It's above some lines. This is the 200, this is the 800, this is the 50, and it actually just bounced off of the 200, and it's in the oversold area. So I'm going to basically take this on Sunday, basically this trading higher. Okay, and so that's the Euro Pound, and then this right here is Merck. And as you can see, I was already in a Merck trade earlier on in this year, but this is a long-term trade. So this basically has hit a profit target that I've placed. And so what I would be looking for this to do is to actually fall back down, give us an oversold rating over here, along with what my moving averages are telling me, and I would take another long going up into this end point. All right, and then the NASDAQ, that's over here, is basically, and as you can see, it's a long trade going into August, which is very interesting, because August usually is a very bad month for most. August, September, October, usually not very profitable months. That's the word. Okay, so we're going to see what actually happens with this trade. And so that's that. So let's get over to the review. And as you can see, I still have a trade on with the Pound Aussie. It's coming to a close around July 21st. It should have taken profit, because I'm managing it on the 4-hour, but it got pretty close, and so I'll see what actually happens going into the close of this. Let me just mark that off. And then now let's go back and take a look. Let's do a review of some of the currencies that the stocks and currencies that I basically took trades in. just a quick look at the chart. Oh, there we go. Okay, so CVX, there we go. This is a more recent trade, and we were looking to take this short. As you can see, it supposedly got in here, and right now we are at a loss right here, right? Because it's a little bit higher. But what I would have wanted it to basically do is give me some type of overbought signal up here, over here, so we could take this most likely lower and into the old support. Okay, so HON, Honeywell is a long, and right now it would be at a loss right now. All right, we would have traded this long, but there you go. So this was basically not a good trade to be in. The Intel went fine, right? The thing that I did not see is, well, actually the pullback happened here. This is the reason why I'm taking trades a little bit sooner, or I'm going out like a week ahead to basically see if trades are actually setting up for these market cycles. And it looks like this one I probably would have got in like right here, pretty much what I did. I got in right here and rode this thing all the way down to right around here, which is a pivot. So that was a good trade. The MACD going long, as you can see, it basically it pulled back over here. Now there's a pullback over here, as you can see, that you could ride up here, and then another pullback over here that you could ride up. It's not inside here, but you could ride this back up to here, this resistance over here, and you would have taken profit possibly, I will say possibly, twice. Okay, on Merck down here, a beautiful entry over here with the oversold and it going long and everything. So over here, and you would basically, and I did take that trade and get in and get out right here at this top area up here at the resistance. On UNH, we were supposed to take this long from here, but I did not, and I did not see, there wasn't a setup for me to basically take, so I did not take that trade. And let's see, another trade is, I went over that one, and I think that's about it that I can basically remember on the trades that I basically took. And so with that, knowledge is power, be power hungry and power to the people, and the closest thing to the Holy Grail is following the smart money. This is Parsival, signing out.